Hi everyone, this is Major Basant, retired from Army as a signals officer after serving 11 years. So I don't do videos, but there has been an incident, or I would say a experience in my life that I would like to share with you all. And since it's for a friend, so I'd like it to be viewed by everyone, and it should benefit others as well if it benefited me. So you might all be thinking that being in army makes you more disciplined, you have a stronger willpower, and then you have a control on each and every aspect of your life. But I should tell you it's not the same for all. So we do suffer from a lot of junk food eating, not eating on time, slow metabolism. Then regular tests lead us to the injury parts as well. Then having injury, staying in bed, slow metabolism, a sudden change in routine with lesser level of exercises makes you a kind of person where your body, your life is not in a routine. I tried everything: intermittent fasting, long-term diets, GM diets, whatnot. But eventually I saw whenever I started eating back again, came back to normal, even if I'm not hogging, everything, the weight, the frustration, the letharginess, everything came back. And it felt like I was running in circles. I consulted many doctors, I took their diets as well, but it was a nightmare for running for almost 4 to 5 years. In the end, what happened was it started taking a toll on my body, on my thinking, on my thought process, on my lifestyle. Something needed a big overhaul. That is when I came across a friend who referred me to Bushra. So she is also a dietitian and she has been helping me since. And in a total of 4.5 months, I could lose almost 9 kgs. Yeah, this is how I wanted to start this with, because this is one of the exciting terms that I've been using frequently in last few days. So what's amazing is Bushra did not give me only a diet plan. She acted as a friend. So I must say discipline is something that you must need, that you must bring into your life. And it should not be a drastic change, it should be a gradual process. She started me with a mild diet change, not change of what I was eating, but how I was eating, how much I was eating, when I was eating. That's the first change that I had to bring, and it was not much. Trust me, in the beginning it was like, this is nothing at all. But yes, we started off with having regular diets, having regular time intervals between food, and restricting the amount of food that I have, restricting my plate, eating whatever I have been eating regularly at home, having fixed cheat days, and so on. So this was very easy to achieve, and it also gave me a sense of achievement. So she was relentless, and she used to ping me on each interval, did you have this? She used to ask me what food I had, send me pictures. And even if I had a cheat meal, then she did not come on to me harshly. She always had a backup plan that now you should restrict this for the day, and this is the amount of calories that you are left out with for the day. So this was a slow process, but those small weekly changes made a significant impact. My gut health improved, my metabolism got regulated, I was not scared of my cheat meals anymore. I could share each and everything with her, and she had a plan for every contingency. She was relentless. She remained in constant touch. And questioning each and everything that I had and each and every decision that I made in a right and positive way. The changes became visible. It was a bit slow in the beginning, but it was worth it. I lost almost 9 kgs in a time span of 4.5 months. So, slowly and subtly, I started making all the right choices towards the food, towards the life, and towards everything. Obviously, it gives you confidence. This hasn't been a temporary fix. I plan on continuing this for my life, and it has been an exciting journey. All thanks to Bushra. If you really want to bring a disciplined change in your life with a gradual process of changing small and little things on daily basis, then you need Bushra on your team. Thanks.